I think for another form of cover, but Alpha OneTV, message so when subscribe to Alpha OneTV, message so subscribe. No, I like no share, no I turn on notification bell, so by update be a no, so bet me I can make house. Comment section once you're there. Message so believe you comment me be a course 101. And then in some of course, so I was Supreme Court, Bagbin, and Martin. Afenyo markings and some or the court na court no free a home invitation na bambing and so they report and as our trial letter come court no and then echo Supreme Court and then acquire and some echo see no just say na ano dinner no she a person become honya kwakuti and some munchi mo at all then someone in and say a year lawyer kwebu chi mo ache say kwanya CJ Faso Chief Justice Faso ebua someone omabuagu Bagbin so and Bagbin so will to me in a way say fine wait me aka and say won't be a parliament fine the actual date in India constitution no does not make any actual day on fan be and papa no a ruling omabuagu no so no enye de na according to some meeting be a course no just say and where papa no say umam pe asem papa bi anka nje papa na mana me be parliament na and where on the 7th December ana papa na be parliament na and say obi na sa time so a ensem a ano hyepa wa wonim de besi o man gana mumi enko ni enkotie court ruling na after that no there is some meeting be a lawyer kwebu so e de atodwa e fa sansem mu enkotie bra
eno my Ghana court ni Kesi court Bata Supreme Court one more kwasitena na kire se de kwasi nyina da ne se Futu MP Alexander Fenyo Markin yes said ye speaker and send fast bonkum so pe and what ye set minority leader man so Kesi woni speaker aban Bagbin etwe no eno ho da renin tonto and a chese won ekwakotwe ho manso e wo Supreme Court ho no mo esan se Fenyo Markin se won tie ase da se speaker abu asase said ye MPP mrahye bedwafo so hwan miensa ni sa ye ntino wo mo ye dom kuma ma no and every so no one na majority speaker and send if so pay one mo kwakotena na said the speaker ruling by ya Fenyo Markets and buanyo so a we di America tente edit ninsem akoda Supreme Court on so do ruling by sign speaker ruling no de by no nya de a ebetimi aye adwuma MPP mrahye bedwafo da so aye majority NDC and so aye minority na chese speaker so enam na lawyer fo so ekofale ye say Supreme Court so atemu no a wo ede baaye no wo mo fan to baabi kura essence ekwan a wo mo efa so a wo mo de sa ruling ne baaye no e ka me se ekwan ebisuo no emra no wo mo edani ani ebutuye court bailiff kura wo be serve ye speaker no so kura no ekwan a wo fa so no wo no so emra no enya de a wotimi edi so enu di sansen we se yada ene ne Supreme Court ekwa se justice wo mo bobo hu a na se de Ghana fo nyina dani mu an wo mo hwe kwan no mu nim se wanya wanwa unanimous FC atnasia no nko ade ba kwa wie nyina da unanimous decision ena atia se beba ajaje fo atia asem no mo tena so no enani nyina da no wakwa benkuro me ya se speaker application wo hwehwe se an Supreme Court ruling no mo de ba yes on no ruling no won tontri ba bi kura no speaker so lawyer kwafale ya ne nsem no eyade a wo mabo ede aguon na lawyer fo a wo mu gina mu ede ma speaker aban Bagbin bani ba ko eye Titus sorry woni Chief Justice Madam Gertrude Tokonu enom chechirefo aso wono mo pa e wono na Chief Justice e ka kire ne se wo man o constitutional crisis esan se ade ye mpesi ye behunu ye mpesi ye betie biesi se parliament ye tu ahye da ya suspend ya ye nimu da ye bekoso ne ye tie se de ne ekoso e wo Supreme Court.
A different legal question. It is important to place on record that both the plaintiff and the Attorney General have complied with these orders, and this court is able to complete.
Ask the court, please, madam.
So, Mr. So, Mr. Sorry, will you be filing anything, or should we hear without you?
Oh no, I don't have instructions on that matter, but especially so that if my lady looks at the affidavit that I filed, I said the order was served on the speaker on Monday, so he has 7 days. I will speak with him, draw his attention to the court's ruling, and then.
So it was served on him on the order was served on him on Monday.
That's Monday.
Monday was 29th.
No, Last Monday is the 20th.
Monday, just about 2 weeks ago.
No. Wait.
No.
On the 20th. You said on the 20th.
On the 20th.
No,
and today is the
21st. It was 21st.
So he's gone past the 7 days.
No, but if he served with the order on that specific date, telling him to file within 7 days, it takes effect on the date of service. That's my understanding.
So he was supposed to file by 28th.
No, by the rules of the court, where the time limited for doing something is 7 days or less, weekends.
So he was supposed to file by when?
If we check out today.
Today?
Yes.
This suit is a Friday for completion. File your processes by close of day tomorrow. This is a constitutional crisis. We are living in a country where the parliament is not sitting. What is going on?
I'm not too sure that this suit is to enable parliament sit. It's to declare.
Very well.
Yes,
I take it that's really in your
so
own
if I would
government.
plead that because look at the time that we are closing and the fact that we've done some work.
Abusuafo wotimi hunu say parliament na chiamehene aban Bagbin say sinidin wo mo nkwati say the MPP fo mu wu chief justice wo wu was a constitutional crisis sadenti and president Akufo-Addo teso a obekasa an chese parliament proceedings what to asheda eda ben so wa mandate yenkobiem say and any title sorry say na say chief justice enye de ye na be kire say parliament on be kwa na so wo monko nti we grade de o ka kan di nti na de na kire say ne wote mra meso me wemra meso me di mra an ye nyina na mra ne yesua wo ye supreme court judge no kire say constitution no wa bin so oja sen nti ne legal aid no anase team no opening Kesi title sorry na wote say oni justice tokonu wo mo achichirafo so e wo supreme court wo say kwan ya mo fa so ne matemu eri ne mu ye nyina da ne kwa bi so no e kame esemo breach natural justice na ne nyina da mu no lawyers so nso gina mu e de ma afenyo markings nso ye ntie sema hudo bia wo mo so editu edwa e wo supreme court ho.
My lord, is the only court, so regardless of the fact that it's not stated in the rules of the Supreme Court, my lord, nothing and nothing raised, my lord, Constitution to make appropriate or giving effect or enabling effect to a declaration. We're not given the opportunity, the rules of natural justice made by Lord Amrandil.
We can only limit our if you don't mind.
Very well. Okay. That my lord all said and done, has not breached any procedure of any substantive law, but granted without Rule 79 and Order 81. No, Rule 79 of CI 60.
Eti we say ya afenyo market lawyers ne ba ko sai Supreme Court ruling di onya ba de a wumpo so odisu e wo so de ya djuma afei abala ya pani attorney general Godfrey Yabo Adam said de munim no on de paremfo a waje wo Ghana ha de nya asem ketua ko obi otimitisi na MPP wo ya campaign mo on de nti asem iba ya no so wogina mu butu eno ono so kwa court wo no mo ne yentie ono se submissions anasa na no di semo a no ono so di tudwa je se ni nyina ekọ e de ama afenyo marking ene aban no
matter for the interpretation of the Constitution, especially as I earlier submitted, the matter involving the interpretation of the Constitution. There's even no such party as a party who has an interest in the matter, apart from the entire state. Respectfully, it is not for nothing that the Constitution makes the Attorney General the defendant in all actions involving the government, an arm of which is Parliament. So my submission is that
in the Constitution, yes. In all constitutional actions, the Attorney General is required to be a party.
It's a party. And so the point I make is that indeed the reluctance with all respect.
Abusuafo we say eya balo ya pani Godfrey Yabo Adam no enti afane efa atwe dare atwe tonto twe apo di won kire mu kotu article subsection cross nyina wie ye pe ena ene agya unanimous decision say de mu ankasa mu dada say we no na nya de be ya de fufuro bia de afi Supreme Court ade agefo ho say ye president Akufo-Addo nko a ban Kesi nko a de ene ekwan bia so no oh ye be di ama no simple kra Chief Justice Gertrude Tukunu ebua ye se agagifo nyina akọ benkura mu se speak wo sini pempen wo sini pen aka kire wo se wo mu ruling na eba ye no wo mu ntimi nsete na side wo mu kutemu mu ginemu enti application kwa na wono lawyer fa ba be file no eyade a wo mo abo edi agu
and established decisions of the Supreme Court from decades of the country's constitutional history. Below are the reasons behind our evaluation that the application has no merit. Interpretation and enforcement jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Article 2, on the very first page of the 1992 Constitution, provides as follows. Enforcement of the Constitution. A person who alleges that A, an enactment or anything contained in or done under the authority of that or any other enactment or any act or omission of any person, that's B, is inconsistent with or is in contravention of a provision of this Constitution may bring an action in the Supreme Court for a declaration to that effect. 2. The Supreme Court shall, for the purposes of a declaration under Clause 1 of this article, make such orders and give such directions as it may consider appropriate for giving effect or enabling effect to be given to the declaration so made. 3. Any person or group of persons to whom an order or direction is addressed under Clause 2 of this article by the Supreme Court shall duly obey and carry out the terms of the order or direction. 4. Failure to obey or carry out the terms of an order or direction made or given under Clause 2 of this article constitutes a high crime under this Constitution and shall, in the case of the President or the Vice President, constitutes a ground for removal from office under this Constitution. 5. A person convicted of a high crime under Clause 4 of this article shall A, be liable to imprisonment not exceeding 10 years without the option of a fine, and B, not be eligible for election or for appointment to any public office for 10 years, beginning with the date of the expiration of the term of imprisonment.
Abusuafo we say a Chief Justice ma me get to tokonu and net what ruling aba say speaker the awde ba ya no application no eyade a wabo e de go esan say MPs and 9 untimi declare wo seat ni vacant. Wamu eye nkrofo na musifo e wo mrahye bedwafie na yakwane ne lawyer Martin Pebu akotwetwe nkomo e de afa na de court Supreme Court yi lawyer nwumre ma adwemo akwaba de bakra kasebo eso
yeah
yo de kama mimi sa wo na wodi wani edi proceedings ya e court e wo Supreme Court no mini ka anyu adwe nchen fanfa homra
ne e court ne de na mwanwa pa on sa na pay ya call ho no me na me court ho bi na me dwen say speaker when you to a parliament mu no ane na ya ma ba court be buya asem no in such a way say ebema speaker bo atoni yem na we be parliament in tension but ni nyina ko hwie ye no it mean say sere musi buya asem no de nya ade speaker ne bo beju so kra nti anu nti no ama meni anje ne e court o court no there be menia ba sere ade ne titi no asem de ye buya enya one answer o ye wo kwan bebre kwan ahoro obetini afa so no buya asem ne se chiwe se obi abenye bibi e de akofie nso buya asem ne tia obakofo na chese other side ndi on de wa fa bibi e de kofie and say any parliament yom be no na acheck akra
yehwe wabra na Chief Justice any title sorry na cheso mo ye banta kakra wo kan yakosisi o constitutional crisis because ednt and was parliament yetimi tum ni akase a suspend sini die no ni ade no sa hono mo no nso no metimi akase unya bibi afri mu
and say eno na America no nti so na akase Chief Justice o jitu say crisis wom the antina speaker nti anu na na make begin ni say osi buya asem no omu ndum no omu buya asem no enya dey speaker bu beton yem can hear on be parliament in 10 times nti ono anim say ya to parliament mu no ena e wo be buya asem na ye wo kwan ahoro bebiri a wo be fa so a e de eyi asundwe ne nkabom beba. But I musi buya asem ne no emfa asundwe ne nkabom emma because still near na speaker baby on ujina no e hwa na ujina baby a court ni jina no e hwa na court ni jina say no nti na speaker to parliament mu no nti na ya court spend the whole day or court ye wie ya obia they've not moved nti na me see say on be buya asem no say we say na me bi kan on kan ne lawyer bibi kakra na afenyo nso enya bibi kakra na afi esa na say oh we say me wini we say me wini say na afi de asumdwe ne nkabuma ba na speaker bi parliament ntem because we say MPP members no mo the petition according speaker so on be parliament yes emrashe say on be but date corona obebie no eno mra na nhye no or say within 7 days no on someone in parliament na someone in date obeka say omombra no eno the constitution na nkyere nti the speaker per se otwimu tan a obetimi aka say okay any parliament no otina or the letter be ba say omombra na da be no omombra obetiro say omombra 7 December sa da no na parliament emra me sha tinye ejuma o say the assembly ba anti speaker kuratu mi pa anti na nke we say ye bu asem no ye kaye no na ye ne boko give them something ye in the middle of the road negotiate something with both parties but we the man is ye bu asem na gu speaker so nti papa so say on jintum
emu be ye den afa lawyer yemra ye hwe CJ odi no ruling eba no wo ka say MPs e9 no asem no enye MPs 9 na asem na emom no wo mo de dem peso aso ahodoa no ya dom en wo represent wo mo e wo parliament wo enti speaker ntimi declare seat ni vacant na kire say constituencies 4 constituencies no omuni anamusifo wo ho yenim say ebi asida Andresiama for mina ye declare the seat ni vacant some weeks or months to election after election and sana wamu enya MP yenim saw the seat 2020 4 years ni wamu ni anamusini ewo parliament enti wo chief justice and someone no wo gina so edi ebu ase esan se mrahye bedwafo 9 no wamu da edom anu ntinu ekwan bi suo no speaker fomye ehwonom no nso no usom sei
menua bacho udini bio asantiwani
Debi na ma jako
na ma jako eno anu no se we yi anu eno a o se sia we yi anu kama eno anu no nti ama obia bisa sal ho asemi Andrew amwakwesi ama asemi na okay menka ba ku nso so na enye fresh enka ho constitution ankasa no article 115 o ma tro say obi hwe ne seat no less than 3 months to an election by election constitution says obi ye bidina ohwe na konya no less than 3 months to an election me by election yenja ne sa na yenkoto aba no yeso ana some persons no mwenya new MP the asema America ne say in the constitution na kasa tire say there are some times people will not have an MP. Yes, even the constitution itself makes it clear that there are some times that people will not have an MP. International Chief Justice Canadian in classroom. Oh, about a would say the court, near court or no person or theatre. I said, the army Kesi law now court Nibuano. I had to say Bible back in I kind of. I saw to a whole class, so for the catcher said 1 2 tighter, which yam rapper. Okwa sorry bin so tight and by force. Just a may patch and say, Sans na court in some way or court no. A sinipa no buya assembuafo no, or no not be no, and the best listen. So there will be buya afa. It is or no tight here. But because when you are tight, I will boom rasso. So you'll be on the tight in Yanasema, because when you are tight and Yasem. She saw the idea of court. Obiane Nadi, into Naya or Manpeni said the Bre Akunyato Supreme Court. In your bio Biara no fan Supreme Court judge. Or better that she will ask or more, or who say, Monsieur Timothy, or me Yadin Stepan, say the me and Camina Metua Betia Semno. Sana, it's me, what the man will be Semno. It was a Kupado. Akunyato Supreme Court no be fair ya on be pharmacy people because so nim say o be fact people assemble mediate ya no
Ate for what in summer lawyer pebu dana di efa adwempa na say a meeting na mkoye ya efa Bagbin ni timu adwen ene buomo buogu nso ne ebufuo ene hawa wakom ana say ejawa papa na efem no he can decide not to open parliament anytime soon, and Supreme Court cannot do anything. Omuntimi nya hwe mfa sa asebu ye ho. Se papa na anya botoyem anase we nya calling bi ma papa na buato ne yema. Fine. Obetimi akase ye bie na emom we are coming this. It's our time no. If say asema people kan na say adwensa kira mana se papa ekoka se 7th December ye to ban e no hia parliamentarians wa obohu di besi. Say enchiremu a lawyer pebu ni echiremu nyina ye say say MPP aban ayo mu adwen say wono a anase lawyer omune ne ko benkrom odwene say wono no sa lawyer no no be fa no say omeye CJ sabe ya obetimi ehu na adwen asem si a obetimi atwitwaje no na nka asem we de ye kan say papa na kwaya to extend say koka say CJ ne ruling na ode tu dwa no nyansa biye ne na mati ni nyina so tape na ye boy na meka wo say hi Alpha OneTV meso say so nya subscribe to Alpha OneTV we subscribe no I like no I share no turn on notification bell so be update bi be no so betumi aka na meka so comment section once you there meso so believe you comment me bi akoso one Akroma.